Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And this week our prompts are something spooky, and I've got a few items like that. A black and white photo, I think it's spooky in itself. A sequence of numbers, I've got that. Pattern paper, I've got this paper, I'm going to do both sides the same. And the bonus is something gray, and there is gray in this pattern paper. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel and the hashtag 2022 CWP37. I'll have them listed in my description box down below. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, here it is. It's finished. I've got my something spooky all over. I've got my sheet music. I've got my black and white photo. I've got my sequence of numbers. I've got my pattern paper, and my pattern paper has gray. And I love these prints. This one came from Tina's Shabbydabbydoodah, and this one came from Pretty Shabby Journals, and I love them. And I got this one off of Graphics Fairy, and I just added a few sprinkles of antique bronze and black watercolor, and I added one of my wax seals to give him something to put his arm on. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2022CWP37. And until next time, bye y'all.
Mm-hmm.